Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you feel like you're constantly spinning your wheels, trying different methods, but never seeing the results you want? Well, I have some exciting news for you. A group of affiliate marketing experts with a proven track record of helping many satisfied students make money online are inviting you to a special webinar. During this webinar, you'll learn the insider secrets and strategies that these experts have used to generate massive profits online. They'll share their tips on how to choose the right products to promote, how to drive targeted traffic to your offers, and how to optimize your campaigns for maximum success. Imagine finally being able to quit your day job and live life on your own terms. With the help of these affiliate marketing experts, that dream can become a reality. They have the knowledge and experience to guide you every step of the way, ensuring that you have the best chance of success in the competitive world of online marketing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn from the best in the business. Sign up for the webinar today and take the first step towards financial freedom.